As the Chief Strategy and Marketing Officer of Lumen, my job is to make sure our brand is everywhere, the trusted network for AI. But as international fans fly in from across the world to our city, our stadium, my job is to ensure our brand is nowhere. All right, see if we can find anything that says Lumen. 13. We got 1, we got 2. That's a pretty big sign. Someone's gonna have to get up there and get that one. Nope. All right, I can still count 46 Lumen signs. We got a lot of work to do, team. Oh man, this is gonna be a long day. Guys, great work. Quick, secure, and effortless. Getting rid of those signs. Oh shit.